Everyone talks about selling their own digital products like Notion templates, Canva designs, or ebooks that make money while you sleep. But here's what no one's telling you. 97% of those who try to create their own digital products fail in the first 90 days. And it's not because they're lazy, not because they lack skills, but because they're playing the wrong game entirely. What if I told you there's a way to build a six-figure digital product business without ever creating a single product yourself? I'm talking no inventory, no customer service, and no technical headache. And if you don't have an audience, what if I told you that this works even better for those who have 0 followers because of a recent update on the algorithm that actually favors beginners with no following? And if you don't want to show your face, you literally never have to. My name is Richard. In the last 90 days, I have consistently made over $500,000 per month at about a 60% profit margin with this exact strategy I'm about to show you. And just a few weeks back, I was even featured in New York Times Square for the impact I've had on thousands of my students that I've taught this exact strategy to. So right now, I'm about to show you the exact system that my students and I are using to make 10 grand a month or more selling other people's digital products, and more importantly, how we're using AI to do 80 to 90% of the work for us. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start this income stream fast this week. So step number 1 is to find what's already printing money. Here's a brutal truth. Most people fail because they guess what's selling instead of finding what's already selling. I use a 2-step research method that eliminates all the guesswork. First, Instagram intelligence. Go to Instagram right now, go to the search bar, and search for keywords in highly profitable niches. I'll give you a few examples. Productivity, AI tools, online business, digital marketing. Type those in. Look for posts with high engagement, meaning high views, and over 100 comments on those videos. Then read the comments on those viral posts and read to see what people are saying. Are people asking in the comments, where can I get this? How can I find out more details? That's real demand happening right now. Second, marketplace validation. Head over to AI digital product platforms like Allen.store. You can do this for absolutely free. You'll see exactly what products are converting, their commission rates, and how much affiliates are actually earning per sale. And when a product shows 50 to 100% commission rates and high popularity scores, that's not luck, that's proven demand. I recommend picking 1, no more than 3 products on Allen.store because this is one of the only platforms that will give you done-for-you resale rights, which means you can sell these products for insanely high commissions as if they were your own product and you never even made one. Which takes me to step number 2, picking your profit vehicle. Forget about creating products. After helping over 5,000 students do this, I've learned that product creation is literally the slowest path to your first dollar. Instead, I use this new strategy called AI Product Arbitrage. Essentially, affiliate marketing for high-ticket digital products which pay crazy high commissions. Let's go to Allen.store and let's browse their catalog. You'll find AI tools paying 50, 85, some even 90% plus commissions, and some even have monthly recurring commissions, which is crazy because you can stack monthly passive recurring income. Pick something that you're genuinely interested in. If you're into fitness, choose a workout program. If you're into business, grab an AI marketing course. This matters because the authenticity in the content you make will convert better than any ChatGPT sales script. And the most important part about this is that 90% of people fail in digital products because they become overwhelmed with AI tools like ChatGPT to create their own PDFs, workbook, video courses, and then they never even launch. But why would you do that if you could just arbitrage products that are already proven to sell? And by the way, if you want the full step-by-step blueprint that I personally use to go from 0 to 100 grand a month with this business, I simply just don't have enough time in this video to cover everything. So I recorded a full masterclass showing you step-by-step how I scaled from 0 to 10 grand and from 10 to 100 grand a month selling digital products with AI doing 80 to 90% of the work. And when you attend that training, I even give you this 10x AI Accelerator workbook right here, which will show you step-by-step how to make your first or next digital product sale in less than 72 hours. And I give this to you for free for only those that click on the link below and watch the masterclass training. So once you're done with this video completely, just tap the first link in the description and it'll take you over to that masterclass so you can get access to the video training and the AI Accelerator workbook. All right, so step 3 is building your digital empire. You see, most people just drop affiliate links in their bio and wonder why they're broke. That's not a business, that's hoping. And the one thing that they completely missed is that the website that sells your product must be optimized for conversion. But who says that you have to make your own website? You see, the one critical failure that everyone misses is instead of spending hours dragging and dropping, clicking to build your website, why not just use AI tools to create a website for you? Here, check this out. You can create your own branded store for free with Allen.store's AI website builder. You just put in your Instagram handle, upload a photo, choose your colors, and boom. In less than 45 seconds, you have a professional storefront with sales pages, checkout flow, and payment processing done for you, all built by AI. Now, it looks like your real business, not some random affiliate link. And when someone buys, they Make checkout on your store, you get instant commissions, and the product business owner that made the product for you, they take care of the customer delivery. You have complete automation. Step number 4 is called the traffic formula that never fails. Now that your store is live, your products are loaded, you need eyeballs, traffic, interested people who want to buy your product. And here's my simple system to do that. One piece of short form content daily. Instagram Reels or TikTok videos showing real results is the best way to go. Now, I know what you're thinking. Richard, I don't have an audience. I don't have any followers. Or even if you have an audience, you might be thinking, dude, I don't want to be some dancing monkey online. I don't want to show my face. So I want to address a couple things. Number 1, because of a new release on the Meta algorithm, IG actually favors brand new Instagram accounts because they want to incentivize more creators to make content. So new accounts right now are actually generating hundreds to thousands of views for simple 7-second videos that they post. And by the way, this is without spending a single dime on ads. And secondly, who said that you need to show your face? There are hundreds of examples of people doing this completely faceless. In fact, one of my mentees, Lila, did this part-time, 1 to 2 hours a day. She did 12 grand in the last 90 days and she never showed her face. Or check this out. This AI avatar, Madi right here, she's not even real. No one even knows who the real creator is behind it. And she did 300 grand without ever showing her face. Now, when you make these simple 7-second videos, the most important part of the video is the hook. The hook must grab the attention to truly generate thousands of views for free. So here are a few good hook examples that really stand out. This AI tool created an entire week of content in just 4 minutes. This productivity system gave me my life back. Why I stopped creating products and started making more money. The key here is keep it under 7 to 11 seconds, valuable and authentic. And then every other video that you post, just simply make a call to action in the caption of the video. I'll give you the script right now. If you're selling a digital marketing product, you could say a call to action like this. If you want the full step-by-step guide on how to make your first or next digital product sale without creating your own product, without any of the techie stuff, and without showing your face, just tap the link in my bio for the exact PDF guide that'll show you how. Does that make sense? So let's do the math. Let's say that you post 1 video daily. Pretty doable, right? Conservative estimate, let's say each video does 1,500 views. So that's 45,000 monthly views. If just 1% clicks the link in your bio, that's 450 visitors. And if only 5% of those clicks actually buy, that's 22 sales. If you make $200 in commission per sale, that's $4,400. And those are conservative numbers. One of my top students, Kayla, a mom working a full-time job as a nurse, had 1 video of her, 7 seconds, this is it right here. And she did 2 million views and made 8,000 in pure profit. 1 video. Step number 5 is to scale with systems. Let's zoom out for a sec. You started with nothing but an idea, but now you have a real business. No inventory, no product creation, no customer service headaches, just AI product arbitrage working while you sleep. And by the way, you literally already have everything you need right now. You have internet, you got a few hours a week, and now you have this AI system. If you've been waiting for a sign to start, this is it. Pick your first product, build your store, and post your first 7-second reel. The AI gold rush is happening right now, and the only question I have for you is, will you be watching from the sidelines? And if you want my direct help, one-on-one mentorship from my team and I to speed up your success in this AI gold rush, just click the second link below and schedule a call with my team. But remember, success leaves clues. And the question is, will you follow them? And if you want to go deeper, because we really just kind of covered the surface level here today, I put together a complete masterclass that breaks down everything in detail right here. Inside of this masterclass training, I walk you through exactly how I scaled from 0 to over 100 grand per month selling digital products with AI doing 80 to 90% of the work. And when you attend that masterclass training, I'm even going to give you my 10x AI accelerator workbook, which will show you exactly how to make your first or next digital product sale in less than 72 hours. I give this to you for free only for those that tap right here and go to the masterclass training. So tap on that and I'll see you on the other side.